Hello, this video I will show you how to change the charging port. This one is charging port, you can see that. Okay, first of all, just find out this one. The color is yellow. This one is for battery power. And just turn on this one. Console the battery power. And then we have to find out the charging port over here. You can see this one is charging port. And we have black light and red light. And the other side is connected battery. And we also have black light and red light. And you can see black light need to connect black light. And red light have to connect red light. This is correct. So when you change the new charging port, you have to make sure the color is the same. If color not the same, if the red light connected black light, and this is very dangerous. So you have to make sure. So now I will show you how to change the new charging port. You can see here we have screws. So you have to use the any tool. You can use the any tool. Let these screws to be loose. Let these screws to be loose, and then you can change the new charging port. So if now I change the new charging port, you can see we have to install this one. I will advance you learning my action. First, you can just connect it, and then you can see which one need to install where. You can see now I connected this one, so I know now the red light have to install left, and black light have to install right. So this is very easy to install. Just pull this light in this hole like this, and you can see, and just do that. And you can see here is special. Here is special. So just do that. Okay, the red light is okay. Now just connect the black light. Here is special, this way, like this. Just pull in this hole. Okay, make sure it's tight right now, and then you can connect it. And you can see red light connected red light, black light connected black light. This is correct. If not correct, don't worry. You can use this tool like this, and you can learn in my action. Just let this tool over here, and you can pull the light and connect it again.